Alright, up for sale is a Perception Pescador 12-footer kayak with the Scotty pontoons that I added for stability. The dolly is included. As you can see, it's in great shape. I've used it probably 10 times in the water. In the bay here at Black Point and the Keys and a couple other places in Naples and stuff. Comes with the blocks so you can load it on your car. It's brand new in the pack. This alone, I believe it's like 45, 50 bucks. You can see the seat, great shape, everything. Man, I take good care of it. Take a peek under here. You can see it's really not that stuff you see is from the factory. That's all like the camouflaging and crap in the paint. There's no really major scratches and stuff. I mean, it's in great shape. Also, I added a anchor trolley to it and some tie-offs at each end. Here's the anchor trolley. You can see goes back and forth. Again, I added the Scotty pontoons with the 2 extra rod holders. You have a flush mount rod holder here. At the moment, it's hard as hell to open. Got lots of storage. You can see there's plenty of storage in here. Bit of water, washing it and stuff. And on top of that, you gotta keep it open. And when it's really hot, and you get condensation inside. But as you can see, it's like in new condition. I'm in the Cutler Bay area. I'm about 3 miles from Black Point Marina. I'm asking $800 for the kayak, the dolly, and the pontoons. Everything's included. It's ready to go. You just need to buy an oar, paddle, and it's a great little beginner boat. Please contact me if you're interested, local preferably, or you're going to come out and pick it up. Email me at modesto.elias@yahoo.com. I will be putting that information on my description on Facebook. Thanks a lot for taking a look at it.